Thank you for tuning in to the Brach Eichler Talks podcast, where we explore and discuss today's trending legal topics. In this episode, we will discuss a recent healthcare law alert from Brach Eichler titled, Governor Sherrill signs executive order to extend flexibilities for certain healthcare professionals until April 2nd, 2026. On February 13th, 2026, Governor Sherrill signed Executive Order Number 13, extending the COVID-19 state of emergency declared in former Governor Murphy's Executive Order Number 103, 2020, for the limited purpose of providing certain healthcare professionals more time to finalize joint protocols and delegation agreements with supervising physicians, requirements that were previously waived for the duration of the state of emergency. The state of emergency, previously set to expire at 5 p.m. on February 16, 2026, will now expire at 5 p.m. on April 2, 2026, and full compliance is required by such date. Healthcare providers and facilities should ensure full compliance with scope of practice, supervision, and collaborative practice requirements that were previously not enforced during the state of emergency. In particular, providers and facilities should be aware of the following. 1. The temporary waiver that permitted APNs to prescribe and order medications and devices without a joint protocol with a collaborating physician will expire. APNs must return to full compliance with the statutory requirements for practice, including maintaining a joint protocol with a collaborating physician for prescriptive authority. 2. The temporary waiver that permitted physician assistants, PAs, to practice without a delegation agreement and physician supervision will expire. PAs must return to full compliance with the statutory requirements for practice, including maintaining a delegation agreement with a supervising physician. 3. Providers practicing in New Jersey under a temporary or foreign license will need to transition to a full New Jersey license in order to continue practicing. The extension of the state of emergency gives the New Jersey legislature additional time to consider Senate Bill 2996, introduced on January 13, 2026, to expand the scope of practice for APNs before the temporary supervision waivers expire. If passed, Senate Bill 2996 would allow certain experienced APNs to practice independently of a collaborating physician. In particular, the bill would permit APNs who have completed 24 months or 2,400 hours of licensed active advanced nursing practice to practice without a joint protocol with a collaborating physician. In addition, APNs anesthesia who have completed 24 months or 2,400 hours of licensed active advanced nursing practice would be authorized to practice without any requirement for supervision by a physician and without any requirement that the APN anesthesia enter into joint protocols with a physician. We can help to ensure full compliance with Executive Order Number 13 by the April 2, 2026 deadline. Contact us to review and update your collaborative practice arrangements and to address any questions you may have at John D. Fanberg, Esquire, Managing Member and Chair, Healthcare Law at 973-403-3107, or J. Fanberg at bracheichler.com, or Carol Grelecki, Esquire, Member, Healthcare Law at 973-403-3140, or T. Grelecki at bracheichler.com. Or Edward Hilsenrath, Esquire, Member, Healthcare Law at 973-403-3114, or E. Hilsenrath at bracheichler.com, or Rebecca T. Falk, Esquire, Associate, Healthcare Law at 973-364-8393, or R. Falk at bracheichler.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube. Follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook for updates on new episodes. For more information and resources, visit bracheichler.com. This is intended to provide general information, not legal advice. Please contact the authors if you need specific legal advice. Brach Eichler, LLC is a full-service law firm based in Roseland, New Jersey with over 80 attorneys. The firm is focused on the following practice areas: healthcare law, real estate, litigation, trusts and estates, business transactions and financial services, personal injury, criminal defense and government investigations, labor and employment, environmental and land use, family law services, patent, intellectual property, and information technology, real estate tax appeals, tax and cannabis law.